Good afternoon to all students. Today's topic is viscosity builders, which are used as a excipient in cosmetic formulation or dosage form. So, viscosity builders, these are the substance which added to the mixture to increase its viscosity without the substantially modifying its other properties, such as the taste, odor, etc. They increase stability. It is desirable to increase viscosity of dosage form to provide or to improve palatability of or pourability. Some advantages and disadvantages of the viscosity builders. Advantages: high viscosity inhibits the crystal growth. Second, high viscosity enhances the physical stability. Third, high viscosity prevents the transformation of metastable crystal to stable crystal. Some disadvantages are also: first, high viscosity hinders the dispersibility of the sediment. High viscosity retards the absorption of the drug. Third, high viscosity creates problem in handling of the material during manufacturing. Ideal properties or characteristic of the viscosity builders. So these viscosity builders which are used as a excipient in a cosmetic preparation, these are the natural viscosity builders, herbal excipient. Ideal characteristic or properties of the viscosity builder: it should produce a structured vehicle. It should have high viscosity at negligible shear during storage and low viscosity at high shearing rates during pouring. It should exhibit yield stress. It should be compatible with other excipients. It should be non-toxic. Viscosity should not be altered by temperature or on aging. Then carrageenan, these are the medicinal plant, or these are the natural plant, natural herbs which are used as a excipient in cosmetic formulation or the dosage form. So carrageenan are the viscosity builder plant. The synonym of carrageenan: cordus extract, iris moss extract. The biological source of carrageenan: it is sulfated polysaccharides extract of seaweed called carrageenan or iris moss, the red algae obtained from Chondrus crispus. Chondrus crispus are the biological source of carrageenan, the family Rhodophyllaceae. Then geographical source of carrageenan: North Atlantic coast of Europe, North America, France, Spain, Denmark, USA. Major producers of carrageenan in the world market. Then description of the carrageenan: it is water soluble colloids dried for the free flowing powder, stable at pH 9. Two forms of drug carrageenan drug are available. First, extracted with cold water gives viscous solution in water, and second, when extracted with hot water, forms gel on cooling. The constituents which are present in carrageenan, depending upon the position of sulfate and presence or absence of anhydrogalactose. Two types of carrageenan, non, kappa and lambda. Kappa and lambda, two types of carrageenan. Uh, First, kappa carrageenan. Kappa carrageenan ability to form thermos reversible gel soluble in polar solvents, in hot milk, and hot concentrated sugar solution above 60 degrees Celsius. Sodium salt of this form is soluble in cold water, while calcium and potassium salts are insoluble in cold water. Kappa carrageenan contain D-galactose 3,6 anhydrous D-galactose and ester sulfated group. Second, kappa carrageenan is good gelling agent, while lambda carrageenan is non-gelling agent and is good thickener. Then second, lambda carrageenan. Lambda carrageenan contains D-galactose and its mono and bisulfate ester. Carrageenan differ from agar, which contains sulfated esters, but carrageenan also contains 20 to 40% sulfite on dry weight basis. Uses of carrageenan: it is emulsifying agent, stabilizing, gelling agent, and the viscosity builder. It is also used as a in toothpaste, creams, lotions, cosmetics, manufacturing, in food industries, 0.5 to 1% concentration. Then incompatibility, calcium react with cationic material. The method of sterilization: dry heat sterilization containing at 150 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. It is the method of sterilization. Then second, plants, that the second natural herbs which are used as a excipient in cosmetic preparation or the dosage form. The name is Xanthum gum. Source: it is a polysaccharide produced by a certain species of bacteria. It is produced by pure fermentation of glucose using the bacterium named as Xanthomonas compestris, which is non-toxic and non-pathogenic to human beings. The high molecular weight polysaccharide produced in culture broth is isolated by using isopropyl alcohol, which is dried and milled to give commercial xanthan gum. Then description of xanthan gum: the color of xanthan gum, cream colored powder, odorless. It is soluble in cold and hot water, giving high viscous solution. This is stable towards change in pH and also to heat. The aqueous solution of xanthan gums forms film on evaporation, and aqueous solution are the pseudoplastic. The chemical nature of the xanthan gum: D-glucose, D-mannose, D-glucuronic acid, and glucuronic acid with salt side chain. Additionally, pyruvic acid is present as side chain to the extent of 2.5 to 4.8% of molecule. Xanthan gum is available in the market as its sodium or potassium salt. The method of sterilization of xanthan gum: by autoclaving. It is the moist heat sterilization. The uses of xanthan gum: it is very good emulsifying agent, stabilizers, thickener, viscosity enhancer, food and cosmetic industry. The storage, where it is well closed container in a cool and dry place. Next topic is natural disintegrants. Disintegrants, what is disintegrant? Disintegrants are the agents which are added to the tablet formulation to promote the breakup of the tablet and hardness of the tablet and capsule, such as slugs into smaller fragment in an aqueous environment, thereby increase the available surface area and promoting a more rapid release of the drug substance. They are the three major mechanism and factor affecting tablet disintegration. So swelling, porosity, and capillary action and deformation. These three mechanisms which affect the tablet disintegration. So some advantages and disadvantages of natural disintegrant. First is effective in lower advantages. First is effective in lower concentration than starch. It is less effect on compressibility and flowability, and it is more effective intragranular. Some disadvantages are also more hygroscopic. Natural disintegrant are the more hygroscopic, that is maybe problem with moisture sensitive drug. Second, some are anionic and may cause some slight in vitro binding with cationic drug, not a problem in vivo. So herbal disintegrant, which are used as an excipient in cosmetic formulation or dosage form. So ideal characteristic of properties of the herbal disintegrant: first, the ability to interact strongly with water is essential to disintegrant function. Combination of swelling and wicking and deformation are the mechanism of disintegrant action. Super disintegrant offer significant improvement over starch, but hygroscopicity may be problem in some formulation. Hygroscopicity is the main disadvantages of the herbal disintegrant. So guargum, these are the herbal disintegrant. The synonyms of guargum: guar galactomannan, the biological source ground endosperm of seed of Cymopsis tetragonolobus, family Leguminaceae. Description: white to pale yellowish white, free flowing powder. Order characteristic: the solubility slightly soluble in water and not in organic solvent, dispersible in hot and cold water, and form colloidal solution, practically insoluble in oil, grease, hydrocarbons, ketones, ester, and 95% of ethanol. The chemical constituent or chemical compound which are present in guargum: 85% of guaran. These are the water soluble polysaccharide, and hydrolysis convert to galactose mannose. Chemical test: take in gum, add 2% lead acetate, so precipitated form. Method of sterilization by autoclaving: it is a moist heat sterilization. Uses of guargum: it is used as a tablet binder up to 10%, used as a disintegrating agent, suspension, emulsion up to 1%, used in a lotion, cream up to 2.5%. It is used food and cosmetic industries as a stabilizer. It is used for oral hypoglycemic agent, as a oral hypoglycemic agent. Storage: it is stored well closed container in cool dry place. Example of guargum: methyl paraben 0.75% or propyl paraben 0.02% can be used as a preservative. Second is starch. Synonym of starch: amylum polysaccharide. Biological source: it is polysaccharide granules obtained from the grains of maize. Biological source of maize: GM maize. Rice: biological source of rice or Oryza sativa. And wheat: biological source of wheat, Triticum aestivium, the family Gramineae. Potato: biological source of potato, Solanum tuberosum, and family Solanaceae. Then description: it is very fine powder, white or slightly yellowish powder, or irregular angular white masses, rarely reducible to powder, which cracks when pressed between the finger. Odorless, tasteless. Microbial limitation: 1 gram is free from 1 gram is free from E. coli and the Salmonella microbes. The solubility: it is practically insoluble in cold water. Cold ethanol at 37 degrees Celsius starts swell in water by about 5 to 10%. The chemical constituents which are present in starch: water soluble amylose and water insoluble amylopectin, which swells and responsible for gelatinizing property of starch. Method of sterilization by autoclaving, which is moist heat sterilization. Uses of starch: 5 to 25% weight by weight as a binder, 3 to 15% as a disintegrant, diluent for potent drug to facilitate subsequent mixing process. Storage: it is stored airtight resistant container in a cool dry places. So thank you. Remaining part cover in next lecture.